Okay, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify Lite into your Showit website so that way you can sell services or products. It's a very easy way and relatively inexpensive way for you to be able to collect payments for anything that you offer, whether it be digital products, services, or even physical products. So let me show you how to do this. First, you're going to sign up for a free account with Shopify Lite, and you will get a free trial for 14 days. So once you log in, this is what it will look like the very first time you log into Shopify. Now, if you notice on the left-hand side, the only sales channel that you currently have is an online store. And we don't want that because we don't need the full website, the full Shopify online store. So we want to actually remove that and add a Buy Now button. So you're going to click on this little plus sign and you're going to go click on Manage Sales Channels and you're going to remove the online store. And then next, you're going to click Add Sales Channel, and we're going to add the Buy button. Okay, great. So now you'll see on the left-hand side that we have the Buy button. Let's let it reload here for a second. But you'll see now under Sales Channel that we have that Buy button option. So now we want to go ahead and create our products or services. In Shopify, it's listed under products, but whatever you are selling, this is where you will insert that particular item. So I'm going to go ahead and just for an example, I'm going to put that this is a 1-hour coaching call. So you can add a description here. You just want to make sure that the Buy button is selected, and we're going to go ahead and make it an active product. You can click here to add an image. I'm just going to grab this image here. For price, I'm going to put $500 as the price, and I'm not going to charge tax. You can decide, that is completely up to you, whether or not you want to charge tax on the products or services. You can track quantities if you have a limited amount. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. It's not a physical product, so I'm not going to be concerned with shipping. And then you can also add options if you have different sizes or colors or variations of anything. This is where you would add those options. But for this, I'm going to keep it very simple, and I'm going to just click Save. So now what we want to do is add a Buy button for this product into our Showit website. So first, let me hop on over to Showit really quickly. And this is a single product page. This is the Vivian template. And I'm just using this as an example because I already have a product page built. So as you can see, this is all created in Showit. And what we want to do is just replace this fake Buy button with that Shopify Lite button. So we really want it to integrate and look really, cohesive and like it belongs. So what we want to do is grab the color code for that hot pink so that way we can make our button in Shopify this same exact color. So I'm going to hop back over to Shopify Lite. And we're going to click the Buy button, and we're going to create a Buy button from that product. So you can see that it popped up here. So I'm going to select it. And then it's going to, I've already kind of played around in here, but under button style, this is where you will add whatever the color is that you just copied. Let's see if I can get it back. Okay, and then under style, layout style, this is where you want to make sure it's on basic. I think when you first start out, it's going to look something like this, the classic, but we just want that button. So we want to make sure we choose the basic layout style for our Shopify button. And then under layout, this is where you could actually change the text for the button. So if you want to say buy now, book now, schedule now, whatever you want to put there is fine. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click next. Oh, before I do that, you can also see that there's a little pop-up here on the side that will stay on the page. So whenever you embed this little pop-up will be on the page as well. So now we just want to hit the button to copy the code, and we're going to hop back into Showit, and at the bottom we're just going to click on Embed Code, and it'll put this little empty box. So double click the box, and this is where you're going to paste that code. You don't need to make any other changes. Just hit Command V or Control V, or you can right click and paste. Now you can see the button is added from Shopify. So I'm just going to move it into place here. Same thing on this side. I just want to adjust it. Okay, that looks good. Now let's take a look at it and preview it and make sure everything is working. So I'm just going to hit this preview button. Okay, and now when I hit the Buy Now button, the little Shopify sidebar should pop up and show the product and the price and that it was added to the cart. And there it is, our 1 hour coaching call for $500. And they can go ahead and check out now, or they can keep browsing your site in case they'd like to add other things to their cart. Now, you'll need to, of course, update. Like right here, I didn't update that price. So I would want to go ahead and update the price. But anytime you add a new product to your Showit website, you will need a page for that product. So I'm going to come right in here again, add that Buy Now button, make sure it's centered on the page. And then again here, I just want to kind of drag it into the correct place. So now I have 2 Buy Now buttons on this product page. So if I want to add a new product in Showit, what I would do is just come over here to this product page and duplicate it. And then of course you would change the image, the title, the price, the description. And then once again, you come into Shopify and add a second product, and you'd go through the same thing. So you'd add another product, you'd come to the buy button, you'd create another button, and you'd copy the code and paste it right here. So just make sure that you're not leaving this original button on a new product page, because what will happen is they will click to buy that new product or service, and it will add the first product to the cart. So you might need to kind of rewatch this part if it gets confusing. It sounds more confusing than it really is. But once you kind of get into the groove of adding your product in Shopify Lite, grabbing the code for that button, and then adding it to your Showit product page, you can really knock these things out quickly. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions or just want to chat about this, feel free to email me or reach out, and I'd be happy to help. I can't wait to see what you create. Talk to you soon. Bye.